Okay, so here's 5C. Remember, we have 5 blue and 2 white and 3 red. And we're trying to figure out the number of ways that all the whites can be drawn before all the blues. And and I'm sure, like, I've done these where I've sat down and tried to figure it out for easier examples. So there are a lot of ways to do this too, and unfortunately, I'm just not as quick as some people at figuring out all the different ways. So sometimes it's hard for me to see right off if your way matches my way. But when I thought about it, so I'll kind of go through what I talked about in class. If I want all the whites before the blues, then I need like a white and a white and here's my 5 blues, and and this will fulfill it. And I have spaces that go in between or after, and reds can fill in those spaces, and I've met the condition that all the whites are before the blues. And so the tricky part of this one is, I mean, you could have a group of 3Rs, in the first spot, or a group of 3Rs here, or a group of 3Rs there. So first you have to figure out how, if the 3Rs are staying together, how many places they could go. So if the 3Rs are staying as a unit, they could go here, 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 here. So I just need to choose one of these spaces to put the 3Rs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, choose 1. Or I could just say 8, right? So I have 8 choices. And I think the next easiest case, so this is number of ways to choose one slot for all R's. So all 3R's, like R is going to go into one of those. And now I want to figure out, I don't want to break it up into the 2 and 1 yet. So let's just say I want 3 separate R's. So the R could go like, R, let me just write like an R and an R and an R. So I just need to pick 3 slots for R. Again, order doesn't matter, so I'm going to choose that as 8, 8, choose 3. So this is the number of ways to choose 3 slots for 3 separate R's. So number of ways to choose 3 slots for 3 separate R's. And now the one that's a little bit tricky is I need to pick 2 slots, but in one of the 2 slots there'll be 2 R's and the other one an R. So that's just 8, choose 2. But I have to multiply it by 2 because I could swap the 2 R's and the R. So for example, let's just say I picked 2 slots, and here I put the 2 R's and here I put the R, but then the 2 R's could go here and the R there. So that's where I'm getting the 2 to multiply 8, choose 2. And so I just add that all up, and that's the number of ways I can do it. I feel like I got, I'll put a question, I feel like I got 120 for that. That's not. Okay, so I think I'll do a few more. If there's one you want to see, let me know. And I hope that this is helping.